Okay, this is the seventh part of the trading platform tutorial, and in this section I want to round it up with the customization of the platform. Now you can make changes on this platform. For instance, these grid lines, you can remove them, and you may do that by simply pressing on your keyboard, holding down the control key and pressing G. It will go G, control G to come back. Alternatively, I could right click on the platform and select properties, and then when you come here you go to common, click on this common. Here I just click on uncheck the show grid there, and then click OK. It goes control G, it returns, control G, it goes. The next thing I may bring in here is the period separator. Control Y, holding down your control key and press Y, it brings in the period separator. Now let me talk a little about this period separator. The grid lines, removing them makes the chart be plain. Now the period separator, I'm going to zoom out a little. Good. Now the period separator separates one period from another. For example, being on the weekly chart on this one in particular, you have the period separator separating 1 year from another. If I just push it back a little, this was what happened in the past year. When you count from here, this is the beginning of the past year, 2012 January. All right, it began there, and from there up to this last 1 year will make a complete 52-week cycle for this entire year. Okay, the same thing happens for here, having 52 weeks in 1 year. If I switch it to the daily time frame, between one period separator and another, you will be having about 22, between 21 to 22 candles or periods, because in a given month, excepting Saturday and Sunday when there won't be any, the market will not be open, so we'll be having around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 here. Now this is for June. In July we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So in July there are about 23 trading days. So meaning between 20 and 23 days, trading days in a particular month. Sometimes it may be 19 if it's in February and it falls more on weekends. So that is for the daily time frame. On the monthly time frame, you'll be having just 12 candles, each candle representing 1 month, and there are 12 months in a year. But for example, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So on the monthly time frame and on the weekly time frame, it is fixed. You have 52 weeks in a year and 12 months in a year also. But on the daily, it could vary depending on the month it falls into. All right, then on the 4 hours, it separates 1 week from another, and they are always equal because the market opens at the same 10 p.m. and closes the next 10 p.m. There's a rollover. So for the week, so each of them, they will be complete when you count. All right, then on 1 hour is also uniform and complete because there are 24 hours in a given day. Where you may have slight differences is if it's about on crude oil, that's commodities, crude oil, gold, silver, where sometimes from time to time the market closes in between time. All right, then you want to check 30 minutes. It's also uniform. You'll be having 24 hours multiplied by 2, giving you 48 periods here. Then for 15 minutes, double 48, and then 5 minutes in that order. So that's what the period separators help you to separate the periods. Okay, so to bring it in once again, you press Ctrl Y. To remove it, you press Ctrl Y. All right, so after that, you may now want to, I could press F8 now to go to the properties. If you right click there, other properties, you select it at the bottom there, or you press F8, it will still take you there also. So F8 brings me here. Now I want to customize it. If you want to change the background of your chart from black to any other color, for instance, change this background to white. All right, then make the foreground with black or any other color, then this is what you will have. All right, if I don't want that, I return there, change it back to black, and change the foreground back to white or any other color. The grid lines, we have removed them, gray. It can be any color at all you choose. Now bar up. If I want, once the bar is up, it turns green, or lime rather, I will leave it there. If I want it to be blue, I could change the color. Just watch me, I set it at medium blue or just blue. So once the bar is going up, that means it's bullish. Bar up is, it will be blue, and bar down, we could make it red from white that it is. All right, and now if you want it, now you see the bull candle is the what is inside here, while the bear is what is inside here. Currently bull candle is black while bear candle is white. So meaning, you remember I said a bullish candle is one in which the open is lower than the close. The close is higher than the open. That's for bullish candle. While bearish is the one in which the open is higher than the close, meaning that the close is lower than the open. Okay, so let's change the bull candle and make it green. I take it green. Let's use a, where can we get pure green? Okay, let's use lime green here. You see it has changed. Or if I want it to be absolutely lime, you see there, or I want it to be blue, pure blue, just have it blue, filled with blue. Now if I want the bear candle to be red, I can change it from there also. You have it set there. So here you can customize your everything about your platform, and then I can come here. I can decide that this, I want it to be line charts. I can decide that I don't want the period separator. If I check this, it will go. If I don't want it to show open, high, low, close, I can remove it also. Watch it. See, it's line chart now, so it won't be showing me open, high, low, close. But if I switch to candles again, all right, okay, then I may also decide to bring back my period separator. Okay, all right, and then I don't want this window. This is the indicator window. I don't want it. I can remove it. Just right click and click delete, and it goes. All right, so that is how you can customize your trading platform to any color, the charts to any color that you want. Now this one is lime because we say line should be lime. If I go back there, go to colors, you see that line graph is lime. If I change it to magenta, you see what happened there. Okay, I click on that, so it will change to magenta. So you can customize this to anything, any color of your choice, your favorite colors, you can bring them in there. So that is how you customize this trading platform. You can do with it anything you want. Now, having customized this, maybe I brought in maybe things that I like, that I don't want to lose, like this. Now I want this color to stay, okay, and I don't want to keep on customizing each time I do that. What I could just do is to come here to the templates and select save template. So it opens here. I'll mark where I saved it. It's under InstaTrader templates. Okay, so I want to name it. I'll call it blue, red. All right, so I save it. Now, as it's been saved there, it's been saved there as long as this platform remains and nothing is done to it. So if I open to another chart, for example, Euro USD, and I want it to be exactly like that one, I don't need to start customizing all over again. All I just do is go to templates and select blue. You see it's blue red. Click on it and it becomes that color. So I could make all of them to become the same thing. So that's how you do it. So that is how to use the templates menu. So you can save your stuff there. Okay, so that is how to work with the trading platform. I want to believe that you have been following this through. I encourage you to take some time, get familiar with this platform, play around it, do all you can around it with it. You can see we have about 7 parts to this particular tutorial. Repeat it and do all that you can do. Anything you want to do with the platform, just get familiar with the platform. It's just like you are getting into a new terrain and you want to familiarize yourself with it. We have done this familiarization tour, and I am certain that if you follow these instructions, you'll never get lost when next you come to this platform. Thank you very much for your time, and please make sure you complete this course by watching all the other videos. God bless you and see you at the top.